Laws of reflection of light. Look around your classroom. You will be able to see various objects like chairs, tables, your classmates, walls of the room, etc. These objects do not have their own light, but still we are able to see them. One more thing that can be noted is that we can see these objects only when light is there. In absence of light, we cannot see the objects around us. Have you ever wondered how can we see the objects around us? The phenomenon which helps us in seeing the objects around us is the reflection of light. The objects that we see reflect light coming from some source such as sun, bulb, torch, etc. When light reflected by these objects reaches our eyes, we can see them. Reflection of light. It is bouncing back of light ray into the same medium when it strikes a shiny surface. This shiny surface, which can reflect the light rays, is also called reflecting surface. Terms related to reflection. The light ray coming from the source which strikes the reflecting surface is called the incident ray. The point at which the incident ray strikes the reflecting surface is called the point of incidence. The light ray which goes back into the same medium after reflection is called the reflected ray. The perpendicular drawn at the point of incidence is called normal to the point of incidence. The angle that incident ray makes with the normal to the point of incidence is called the angle of incidence. The angle that reflected ray makes with the normal to the point of incidence is called the angle of reflection. Laws of reflection. The reflection of light takes place according to two definite laws. Let us study these laws one by one. The angle of incidence, I, is always equal to angle of reflection, R. In short, angle I is equal to angle R. Another law of reflection is the incident ray. Normal to the point of incidence and the reflected ray all lie in the same plane. Your own reflection that you see every day in a looking glass is a common example of reflection of light. The movies running on the screen of a projector is another example of reflection of light. We can see the image of various objects around a water body inverted inside it. This is again due to the reflection of light.